Today we're taking a look at the Tesla stock, ticker symbol Tesla, in anticipation of the upcoming Friday, August 11, 2023 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start: if you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. Let's first begin with a brief overview and analysis of the stock in a general sense, and then following that, we will delve deeper into the stock's specific performance and action, focusing primarily on the upcoming trading day. On Thursday, August 10th, the Tesla stock commenced trading at $245.40 and concluded at $245.34. Throughout the day, the stock price rose by 1.3%, fluctuating from $242.19 to $245.34. Trading activity saw 108.7 million shares exchanged, equivalent to approximately $26.67 billion. The stock experienced a trading range between $243 as the lowest point and $251.80 as the highest point on the last trading day. Notably, this stock's 52-week high stands at $314.67, while its 52-week low rests at $101.81. When compared to the previous trading day, there were 9 million more shares traded, which is a good indication as the stock price rose. Considering its risk level, this stock is categorized as very steady, carrying a very low chance of distress. You should also know that this stock almost mirrors the market. Insiders are displaying notable pessimism, shedding a greater volume of Tesla shares compared to their purchases. Over the most recent 100 transactions, there were 588.38 thousand shares acquired and 2.43 million shares offloaded. The latest transaction occurred 7 days ago, involving Taneja Vaibhav, who divested 4,000 shares. Overall, insiders are leaning towards selling a larger proportion of stocks than they are acquiring. While various factors could contribute to this trend, it is commonly interpreted as an unfavorable indication. A mix of unfavorable indicators emerged, potentially impacting the immediate short-term trajectory. Tesla's stock has been flagged with sell indicators by both short and long-term moving averages, painting a gloomier outlook. Additionally, a broad sell signal is evident in the interplay between these two indicators, where the long-term average surpasses the short-term counterpart. You should also know that when the stock price surpasses the long-term average, it triggers a buy signal, indicating a favorable outlook. Conversely, if the stock price falls below the short-term average, it generates a sell signal, suggesting a less favorable outlook. The Tesla stock has a strong bearish 3-day candlestick pattern. You should watch for a breakdown below the $239.34 level on this stock. There are no major emerging candlestick patterns on the chart as of the making of this video. Considering the current overall short-term trend, it is anticipated that there will be an increase in the stock price. However, with ongoing federal probes into fatal crashes possibly involving Tesla's autopilot systems, it's important to consider the potential negative impact on the company's reputation and the subsequent effect on the stock price. As of the last trading day, the most recent daily candle on the chart is green. This indicates that the buyers, or in other words, the bulls, dominated the trading session. The session was predominantly bullish, characterized by a trading volume of 108.7 million. This volume is 23% less compared to the average volume typically observed for Tesla, which stands at 134.2 million. The stock is currently trading within the lower range of yearly prices. Tesla is trading below its 5, 10, 20, 50-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. While it's trading above both its 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. This is a good sign for the stock's trend. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things, this is what we can conclude. The average true range indicator is showing less volatility. The Williams percent range indicator is showing oversold. While the stochastic, ultimate oscillator, relative strength index, rate of change, commodity channel index, MACD, and average directional index indicators are all negative. At present, multiple technical indicators are aligning towards a negative signal, indicating a sell for the stock. However, it's important to recognize that relying solely on these technical indicators may not yield substantial outcomes. Let's now delve into the analysis and prediction of Tesla's price movement for the upcoming trading day, Friday, August 11, 2023. Bear in mind that if the stock price is below $246.71, there is a higher likelihood of a downside potential. Conversely, if the stock price is trading above $246.71, the possibility of an upside movement is higher. Based on the closing price of the last trading day, the current pivot point for this stock is located at the $246.71 level. Additionally, it has support at the $241.63, $237.91, and $232.83 levels, and resistance at the $250.43, $255.51, and $259.23 levels. Now, I will outline a few potential Tesla stock trades for the upcoming trading day, 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to explore other similar trades based on the information provided in this video thus far, depending on your bullish or bearish sentiment towards this stock. Remember that when a support level is breached, it often transforms into a resistance level. Similarly, when a resistance level is surpassed, it tends to act as a support level. For the bullish trade, consider opening a long position if within the first 30 minutes of trading, the stock continues to respect the $241.63 level as a support. Aim to enter the trade as close as possible to that support level, keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of $250.43. The second bullish trade involves monitoring whether the $250.43 resistance level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a support level for a considerable period. This scenario suggests a short-term bullish outlook, and in this case, consider taking a long position as close as possible to the new $250.43 support level. When it comes to taking profits on this second bullish trade, consider doing so around the next resistance level of $255.51. It is advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock progresses, rather than closing it entirely in one go. Incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. Now, for the bearish trade, if the stock continues to respect the $250.43 level as a resistance after at least 30 minutes of the market opening, it may be suitable for opening or adding to a short trade position near that resistance level. Keep in mind that this would be short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the $241.63 support level. In the second bearish trade, monitor if the $241.63 support level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a resistance level for a substantial duration. This scenario implies a short-term bearish outlook. In this case, consider taking a short trade position as close as possible to the new $241.63 resistance level. For taking profits on this second bearish trade, consider doing so around the next support level of $237.91. It is also advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves, rather than closing it entirely all at once. As mentioned previously, incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. I want to emphasize the importance of taking profits near the target levels provided for all these trades, as it is crucial for ensuring profitability. These trades are short-term with a high probability of profit, and when executed correctly, they can accumulate significant gains. Remember to implement this strategy effectively to maximize your results. Whether you choose to adopt a bullish, bearish, or even a combination of both approaches for this stock, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We value your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts on this analysis. Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your perspective. That's all for now, so if you have any other stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stocks you'd like analyzed, subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can.